Hey everybody, it's Molly again. I thought I would go ahead and make another video and show you how to edit a template in vizzlie. Once you have the code already imported into vizzlie, now this is what you need to do. So we're going to log in again. And it's going to take us to our main screen. It automatically takes you to your events page. We want to come down here in the planning section and go to Facebook. Now I've got a bunch of codes in here, but one that I've been wanting to work on is a baby shower code. So you click on the one you want to edit, and I would suggest editing your codes right after you import them, and go ahead and put your information in all the slides. That way you can use it for your party events and you don't have to change every slide every time. So you click on these three little lines right here. These are all your posts that are going to pop up in my baby shower party. So to edit them, I come to the three lines and click edit. Now this is where I pick the time. A lot of people do relative to the starting time, and it'll say this many hours before. But if you're going to do pre-party posts, that gets really confusing to me. So I like to make it like, let's say 2 days before, and I always do the exact time of day. It's just a lot easier for me. 6 a.m. is way too early to be posting something, so I usually start at 10 at the earliest. So now I come down here to the post box. Anything you see in these two brackets right here, you don't want to edit. This is going to be what's called replaceable text, and I am going to edit it this time, but you don't do that. I'll say post and baby's name. And so that means when I go to import this into my party, my replaceable text is going to ask me to put the host and baby's names so that it will put it in all those. So it says all of this, let's see. And so here's this replaceable text again. So I'm going to have the time that I'm going to change and roll call. Okay. So now that I'm done, it has the image that I want. It says TikTok, watch the clock. Let's say I didn't like this image. I can exit the image. And when you import a template, all of its pictures come with it. You can also add your own pictures by dragging them from your computer. So let's just pick a picture. Let's see. I really like that clock one. I kind of wish I wouldn't have exited it. Let's see. Sorry, I've got a lot of pictures. Alright, I'm just going to pick one. I'll find the right one later. And so then if you go back up to the top, you'll see that that picture that I just selected is there. So once you finish and you've done everything you want to do, you click update. If you want to not have a picture, if you want to have a video, you can do a video. If you want to add a video link from like YouTube, here's the link, and you would put the link right there. Now, if you do that, a video won't show up right here, but it will show up on your post, like the picture of the video will show up on your post. Or you can just do none. So this is going to determine what kind of attachment you have. I like an image on this one. Oh, sorry. I like an image. Click out of it before you try to scroll down. So here's my image, and now I'm done, so I'm going to click update. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go through and edit every slide. I'm going to now preview and make sure that it is the way that I want it. All of this yellow stuff is that replaceable text that I want to change every time I use it, but I'm going to change it once I import it into the party, and I'll show you how to do that on our next video. So everything here is good, so I can go to next post, and I'll read over it and make sure it's how I want it in next post. And so this is how you can preview what you're going to see. If I get to one and I need to change something, see, like it says, thank you for coming and helping Melanie build her library. I want to change that one. So I'm going to click close, and I'm going to come back here and I'm going to edit it. Now I don't want to put a name on this one because this is my my one that I'm going to add into every party, and it might be a different name every time. So I'm going to do these little brackets and click host. And you see how that popped up right here? So now that is a decodable text in this template. So that is how you edit your vizzlie templates. And if you wanted to share that template once you finish, you click this button and there the code is. It will pop up for you. Alright, I hope that helps you get started.